All right, coming to you live from Dell Parmer campus. I'm here with Bret, Greg, and Rob, and y'all are talking about OpenStack. What caused you, Bret, to make the journey all the way up from San Antonio to our campus today?
So I'm excited to be up here working with Dell. We're getting ready for the first releases of OpenStack and the object storage later this month in September, along with the compute coming in October, and want to get the right hardware set up and spec'd out so that people can start adopting and using the solution.
Excellent. So Greg and Rob, what role are you all playing today?
So we're learning about what OpenStack is, trying to get further along in that involvement, as well as trying to look at where the OpenStack framework would fit with some of our new PowerEdge C hardware, the 6100 in particular, for the compute infrastructure for its density to power to cost ratios. Really exciting for that.
Excellent. And Rob?
So one of the things that I've been really interested to see is how the OpenStack project has been coming together since the design summit that we participated in. And it's really interesting because there were 3 distinct code lines that were all coming together: the storage pieces, the NASA compute, and the Rackspace compute. And all those design pieces have really come together, not just as a merge of those 3 things, but accepting community input that we gave in the design sessions, and then community pieces. It's really come a long way towards becoming a full product, but really new, interesting, innovative ideas are also showing up that we've discussed, and some new things are coming in from the community all the time. So it's exciting to see that.
Excellent. Okay, now we're just heading down the hall, getting to the lab. Thank you, sir. Okay, we're now in the lab. Greg, what do you got for us there?
We were talking about the 6100, and 6100 is a 4-compute system in a 2U chassis, and this is one of the actual compute systems. It's a dual-socket system that shares a disk tray and power fans, so it can reduce power and give you a good consumption to cost ratio. And this is one of the reasons we were talking about it is for the compute system in the OpenStack environment. Yeah.
What else you got for us?
So yeah, I mean, like being able to look at the 6100 here for the compute, there's enough slots available on it with the 10 gig networking performance you can get now to allow us to run a large number of virtual machine guest instances on a cloud through this smaller, more dense form factor, to where previously with the networking speeds of gigabits years ago now, you weren't able to get that density. You had to run bigger separate chassis just to get enough network I/O. But now with 10 gig and with this type of form factor, you can have a very large compute environment in a single cabinet.
Part of our ongoing work is to try and get OpenStack in the lab so we can start doing measurements to see how effective it is, and moving on and trying to see where we want to go with reference architectures and stuff down the road.
Excellent. Thanks, guys.